Hi everyone.
Ćao svima!
You will be guessing what I'm eating in this newspaper.
Ako možete da pogledate šta Anthony jede u novinama.
These are the best onion bhajiyas you would ever try.
Ovo su najbolji luk bhađije koje ćete ikada jesti.
If you want to have this for your tea time or a snack, stay tuned on our channel. We are showing this recipe on our channel.
Ako hoćete da imate ovaj recept za vaše nove grickalice, ostanite se nama na kanalu, stiže recept.
So let's start making onion bhajiyas.
Ajde da pravimo luk bhađije.
Okay, for that we need onion.
Za to nam je potrebno luk.
You don't have to mix onions. You can use red onion or white onion, or if you like to mix it, go ahead.
Dobro, kao što vam kaže Toni, možete koristiti samo jednu vrstu luka, on je se odlučio danas za dve.
The next ingredient what I'm gonna add is chopped coriander.
Sljedeće što radi dodaje iseckanog korijandera.
Then I'm gonna add one chopped chili.
Jedan iseckani čili ili ljute papričice.
To give a little twist, I'm gonna add a little bit of mint leaves.
Da bi Anthony ovo napravio malo svojim receptom, svoj twist da napravi, stavio je malo lišća od nane.
Next thing, we're gonna add salt.
Sljedeće što radi dodaje soli.
Okay. We're gonna add some spices to it.
Sada stižu začini.
Coriander powder.
Korijander u prahu.
Cumin powder.
U prahu kim u prahu.
Turmeric.
A ovo je kurkuma.
Red chili powder.
I paprika tucana, ljuta.
Then we're gonna give this nice mix.
Ovo ćete dobro da promešate.
We're gonna leave this mixture on the side for 5 minutes.
Ovo ćete da ostavite 5 minuta sa strane.
The reason why I'm keeping on the side because we have just added salt and some spices, so our onion will release some water.
Zašto je ostavio Anthony ovo sa strane? Zato što je stavio sad tek soli i luk će da mu pusti neku vodicu.
Now we're gonna add a gram flour to this.
Sada dodajemo brašno od lebleblije.
Baking soda.
Sljedeće što dodaje je soda bikarbona.
Now we're gonna give this nice mix.
Evo ćete sad dobro da promešate.
This bhajiyas remind me of my teens memory. It's very attached to me because we had a really nice memories actually not making it, eating it.
Kaže Anthony da ima jako lepa sećanja na ovu bhađiju, na ovo jelo što vam spremamo, kad je bio mlad.
We were living on an island.
Živeo na ostrvu.
And we had another island called Santistev.
I imali su drugo ostrvo koje je bilo blizu njih, zvalo se Santistev.
The thing is, we could get bhajiyas in our village, but there was a very special bhajiyas a lady was making on the roadside with her stove and with her things along beside the road.
Ja, bila je jedna ženica, kaže, koja je pravila te bhađije pored puta sa njenim šporetom, ako sam ga dobro razumela. She had a stove.
Yes.
Wow. I oni su išli samo zbog nje na to ostrvo.
Me and my friends would just start our bike. We used to go three people on one bike. It was not that we wanted to save fuel. We wanted to be together. That was the only reason actually.
Da, oni i njegovi drugari su sedeli na motor i njih trojica su odlazila do te žene, ne zato što nisu imali goriva ili drugi motor, nego zato što su hteli da budu zajedno. Jo.
Those bhajiyas was the best bhajiyas we ever had in our life.
Kaže da su te bhađije bile najbolje bhađije koje su ikada jeli u životu i oni i njegovi drugari.
So we used to go there, buy that. It was not expensive. It was very cheap. If I remember, it was like 5 or 10 rupees.
A ja, to je kao 5 ili 10 dinara kod nas.
Yeah, and you could get the most exciting thing about it is like you get it fresh. You see it how she's making it, and she would wrap up in a newspaper, and she would give it.
Ja, kaže da je pravila to ispred njih, bukvalno, i da je stavljala u novine i da je sveže pravila za svaku narudžbu. I davale u novinama.
And we used to collect this bhajia and we used to go on the Santisti fort. It was a peaceful place to be, believe me.
Eto, i kaže kad uzmu te bađije, odu na tvrđavu, na tom ostrvu i tamo idu i jedu ih.
We used to chat for hours and it was all boys talk.
I samo su pričali o muškim temama.
Okay, so let's hop on to our bhajiyas now.
Ajde da se vratimo na bađije.
Okay, now we're gonna add a little water.
Dodajte malo vode.
Here you have to make sure your all onion and the gram flour comes together.
I u ovom trenutku kaže Anthony da morate da vam se sve dobro sjedini. Kao što vidite što on radi.
Okay.
Znači obratite pažnju da dobro sjedinite, da ne budete kao ja.
Yeah, see how it is coming along together. Now we're gonna add a little more water.
Kao što vidite njemu se sve sjedinjuje.
Okay, once your batter is nicely mixed, we're gonna fry this.
Kada vam se testo lepo izmešalo, ovo ćemo da pečemo u dubokom ulju ili vam da pržimo.
Make sure your oil is very hot.
I da potrudite se da vam ulje bude jako vruće.
And now we're gonna make like small balls of bhajia and we're gonna throw in.
Pravite kao kuglice od bađije, nepravilnog oblika, nije bitno kako su, i ubacujete tu.
It doesn't have to be in a perfect shape. It can be very rustic.
Da, ne moraju da budu savršenog oblika.
So we fry this for approximately 3 minutes or till they are nicely golden brown.
Ovo treba da pečete do jedno 3 minuta, to jest duboko ulju da pečete, jedno 3 minuta dok ne budu lepo zlatnaste.
The color what we are looking for.
Aha, ovo je boja koju tražimo.
We're gonna remove this on the paper.
Ovo vadimo na novine, jer novine najbolje upijaju. Sve radimo po indijski način.
We're gonna fry the rest of our bhajiyas.
Pečemo ostatak naših bađija.
Our onion bhajiyas are ready. I will show you the exact method how she was doing it. She used to take a newspaper. She used to just fold it. She used to make a cone out of it.
Bađije su nam gotove. Anthony će vam pokaže kako je
And she used to put her bhajiyas.
ta žena
And she used to
služila.
fold it. And this was her actual packing. We used to get it like this.
Dobro, ovako im je
Kidding or
dala.
not, we were getting this package and that's it. We are done. And we used to go and enjoy on
You
the
don't
fort.
get a bag?
No, that's it.
Nema kese, nema ničega, dobiješ ovako, pa dobro za 5 dinara šta želiš više.
So you basically, actually what you do is you sit on the bench, you just open it. Yeah, your friends around it. Actually, the portion was a little bigger.
Dobro,
So-
porcija je bila veća,
And you just grab one and you just chat and
ali u principu ovo radite. Sednete sa drugarima, otvorite novine i jedete.
they're very nice actually. It reminds me of that taste, but as I told you that ladies bhajiyas was the best. You cannot beat it.
Kaže da su mu lepe bađije, ali nisu kao te žene.
You can see the crunch what you hear from the.
Aha.
That's what we are looking for actually.
Znači to tražite, da bude krskavo.
You can garnish it with a little bit of coriander on it. This is really optional.
Možete staviti korijandar od gore, to je opcionalno. Ja ću se pretvaram da sam Anthonyjev drugar. Imagine that you're with your friend. Let's talk men's up. Sad ću se pretvaram da sam mu drugar i da se osjeća kao da je u goji. Još je dobro. Još je dobro. I think I'm off to India, man. Ovo je prelepo.
Yeah. Please try this recipe. That's actually from my teen. I'm so glad that I've made this recipe for you, which was connected to my teen. It's really a memorable experience actually having this bhajiyas.
Ovo je Anthony blast from the past, što bi rekli, povratak u prošlost. Drago me da se setio recepta i da vam napravi ovo. Probajte definitivno. Ovo možete služiti, mislim, mjesto čipsa nekako, kad mi dođu gosti.
Please do try this recipe and leave a comment below how your bhajiyas was and do you have any stories behind it.
Ostavite Antoniju dole komentar ako vam se svidelo, ako ste pravili. Njegovi će pisati da li imaju iskustva sa bađijama. Vi ako ste jeli, isto javite nam se.
Bađija. Bađija. It's nice. It's yummy, yummy. This recipe, I will do adapted